super excited. I just bought a ton of crap online for my trip to Spain. And it's a bunch of fun travel shit. So let's see what we got. Forgot about this is Gucci Bloom. It's the new scent that I really enjoyed. Super excited about that. Travel size. This one's a fun one. This is a detachable camera wrist strap because I am a photographer and I can't live stop taking pictures wherever I go. So this will help me hold on to my camera. I don't know if I have my camera around, but basically like I can hold my camera like this instead of around my neck. That way it's like at the ready to just like pull up and snap. Feels pretty sturdy actually. I was a little worried it wasn't going to. It's like a paracord kind of situation, and then it attaches into the camera like this. I'm not sure what this is for, but we'll see. This one, yes, excited about that. I think the hardest part is going to be packing everything into my carry-on and a backpack. Purchased like 3 pairs of shoes to see which one I liked best. A rubber band. Yay! Pink ones! I like these. I'm gonna try these on. Look at these. I fucking love them. Stellar. I think these are already the winner. I got another pair yesterday. They were not as fun in terms of color. So this thing is on the way home. I'm traveling in economy. You can see how it attaches to the seat, so like your head doesn't fall forward like that when you're sleeping. So let's see if I can open it. I hope it's not the color blue. Nice little case. This attaches to the seat back. You can tighten it. And this must, okay, so there's like a protective layer of Velcro here. You can see. And then that attaches here. It will go basically like this. It looks so cool. I hope that works. Or if I can, I'm going to try and upgrade myself to premium economy or business class on points. So we'll see how that goes. This is a skirt lighter than I anticipated. Cute. We'll see through. But we'll try that on. Probably returning it. Not 100% on it. Already returning it. It's got some kind of weird stain on it. Another thing that I have that did not come in the mail today, but I don't even have. I'm using my phone. This is a magnetic charger. It's an adapter for your phone, so if you're on the go and taking lots of videos, just need your phone to get a recharge, you just put this on the back of your phone. It's like a MagSafe thing. It's great. It's like freehanded. You don't have to plug it into anything. So if your phone is like a Mag compatible, this thing is a lifesaver. I take it with me on like trips to Disney, just because like that just sucks up all your phone power. And then on the back here, you can see when I press this button, there's only 1 bar. I don't know if you can see it, like blue, but it's lighting up blue. So this needs to charge me up. Anyway, thanks for hanging with me while I opened my mail.